action today with more photo video mapping with the drone. So let's go fly. This is the drone flying a lawnmower pattern, they call it, over top of an area. And the drone is taking a picture every 3 or 4 seconds. And then these pictures will be stitched together into essentially what amounts to a high-res Google map. And so people can see what the ground looks like, as well as it's giving them elevation points as well. Out of the elevation points, you can figure out things like area and volume, which is the big one. Because of course everybody's always asking, how big is that stockpile? And if you can come up with a number, they can calculate it out and figure out how many dump truck loads that stockpile is going to be to remove from the site. And essentially that's what we're doing with stockpile management. I am a licensed and insured drone operator in the GTA. Contact me for your photo, video, and mapping needs.